When it comes to managing projects, small development teams often need tools that are fast, clear, and easy to use. You do not want something so heavy that it slows you down, but you also need enough structure to stay organized. Two tools that have become go-to options for lightweight task tracking are Trello and Linear. Both are simple and powerful in their own ways, but they serve slightly different styles of teamwork. Let's take a closer look at how they compare and which one might be the best fit for your dev team. Trello has been around for years, and its visual simplicity is a big part of why so many teams love it. It is based on the Kanban board idea, lists and cards that move across stages like to do, in progress, and done. You can create boards for projects, add cards for tasks, and drag them through the workflow. It is flexible enough to use for almost anything, from feature planning to sprint tracking. The interface is so simple that anyone can learn it in minutes. Trello also has built-in automation through its feature called Butler, which helps automate repetitive steps like assigning tasks or moving cards when checklists are complete. For small dev teams that just want to stay on top of tasks without learning a complex system, Trello feels familiar and effortless. Linear, on the other hand, was built specifically for software teams. It combines the simplicity of Trello with the structure of a lightweight issue tracker. The interface is sleek, fast, and designed to feel like a developer tool. Linear organizes work into cycles, which are like short sprints. You can create issues, link them to projects, and track progress in real time. It also connects smoothly with tools developers already use, like GitHub, Slack, and product roadmaps. The result is a focused environment where everything feels fast, minimal, and purposeful. One thing users love about Linear is its keyboard shortcuts and speed. It feels built for people who live in their terminal and want to move quickly without clicking through endless menus. In the end, both are excellent choices. Trello feels like a friendly whiteboard for everyone, while Linear feels like a precision instrument for developers. If you are scaling a small dev team in need of speed and focus, Linear will help you move fast without friction. If you want versatility and simplicity across your whole organization, Trello remains one of the best tools out there for getting work done.